Hello and welcome back to 31 South Paws. Today we're going to be making some super easy, did I say easy? Super easy dog treats made with sweet potatoes. I've already washed and dried these sweet potatoes. We're just going to take and slice these about 1/4 inch thick. Now you can slice them like this, or you can slice them long ways. You just want to make sure you get them all about the same thickness. And I know my Yoda won't care what shape they're in. He just loves sweet potatoes. Now I have a baking sheet that I've lined with some aluminum foil, which is optional. And I put just a light coating of nonstick spray, and then I spread it around with a paper towel. We're just going to lay these out in a single layer. Now this is just 2 sweet potatoes, and it makes lots and lots of treats. We're going to bake this at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 90 minutes. These are ready and they smell so good. And as you can see, they're sort of a chewy consistency or chewy texture. They taste yummy. Let's go see if my baby dog likes them. What is it? Did you know it's for you? Did you know it's for you? Hold on. He loves these. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.